Our speed demon gold medalist, the peregrine falcon, has razor-sharp vision. It can spot a potential victim almost 2 miles away. On the flat, a pigeon can outpace a peregrine. But this avian speedster doesn't rely on mere flapping power to pursue her prey. She's got gravity on her side. Folding back her wings, this female plummets towards the ground like a missile. Her teardrop-shaped body is the epitome of aerodynamic design, slicing through the air with virtually no resistance. In just over 15 seconds, she hits terminal velocity, a speed that might be as high as 242 miles per hour. The peregrine is by far the fastest creature on the planet. But hunting at these extreme velocities isn't without its drawbacks. Less than 1 in 5 attempts ends in a succulent pigeon dinner. However, there's good reason this female can't afford to give up. She locks onto another bird. Once within striking range, her 2-inch long talons brace for impact. The force delivers a lethal blow, snapping the pigeon's spine. As one life ends, another 3 are only just beginning. This mother and her partner need to hunt twice a day, every day, for the next 2 months to ensure the chick's survival. If all goes well, they will one day take to the skies as nature's ultimate fighter pilots and join their parents in becoming the fastest animals on the planet.